Bhailm mhúineadh cur I lúil de Comhdháil Náisiúnta na Gaeilge agus óg don déis Gaeltanas má páirtí I leith na Gaeilge a cur I bhur Labhair tróna inniu. Fáilte go mór raibh an de sin a dhéanamh tá arbás agam ar an tara céirí agus Comhdháil Náisiúnta na Gaeilge agus Comhdháil na Gaeilge agus na Gaeilge airgide eile Gaeilge ar fud na tíre. Ar sceil bhí mé an bhuail dána ach inniu táime bhuail go maith. Fhine Gael is strongly committed to the development of the Irish language and the Gaeltacht regions. We recognise the value and the cultural importance of our Irish tradition and heritage, and we're determined to ensure that the language and the Gaeltacht regions survive and prosper. We are supportive of many aspects of the 20-year strategy for the future of the Irish language, and we will deliver the achievable goals and targets proposed. Fhine Gael supports the continued development of the Gaeilge and recognise the significant roles the Gaeilge movement has played in reviving the Irish language within and outside the Gaeltacht region. We also will work with Polasaí to attract greater numbers to the Gaeltacht. We are committed to overhauling the way in which Irish is taught at primary and secondary levels of education, to ensure teachers are equipped with the right tools to instil a love of the language for all students, and the curriculum is designed to inspire students to continue speaking the language after leaving school. We believe that reinventing the way we teach Irish will encourage more students to study the language and engage with it beyond the school system. We believe compulsion has not fostered the growth or commitment to the language. We will overhaul the curriculum at second level and will critically examine the effect of current training methods of teachers to teach. Irish as an optional subject will only apply following wide consultations on both matters after the election with all interested parties. We will allocate 50% of marks to oral Irish exams, and a study on a double curriculum to Leaving Cert will be investigated, one on the current system and a second in communicating Irish. The questions of extra points for third level entry will also be investigated with the interested parties. Fhine Gael will double the proportion of Irish students sitting the higher level Leaving Certificate exam by 2018. Our job creation for the region, our new era and working for our futures plans will deliver new job creation prospects for Gaeltacht regions. We will invest in energy, in broadband and water infrastructure. Fhine Gael will also investigate development of a national proficiency scale for the Irish language. The 10-point scale would allow every citizen to have their competence assessed and to use modern teaching methods and modern technology to gradually improve that proficiency at a pace that suits themselves. Fhine Gael will review the obligations under the Official Languages Act to ensure expenditure on the language is best targeted towards the development of the language. I give you my commitment that we will work together to try to achieve those goals. I come from the hundreds of thousands of people who spent 13 years at school, and sometimes we need a bit of confidence or the mhúineadh, but we have to work together to try to ensure that we achieve the strategy to ensure that 250,000 people will be speaking Irish on a daily basis in 20 years' time. I look forward to working with you and each and every one of you try to ensure that goal, whether I'm elected or not, or whether I'm in that position or not. I've made some very, very good friends. You've been very, very, I suppose, supportive of me, but I suppose I'm very thankful for the way that you I suppose, ensure that somebody like myself, who didn't have the couple of focal, you supported me, so I'm very thankful for that. Also, Don Bwigas.